Hi, this is Lena. So we are back on installing Ubuntu OS into VirtualBox on Windows 10. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to start the VirtualBox 6.1 and click on the new symbol. And after that, we will give the virtual OS a relevant name. So how is that done? So now we have the virtual box, and this is the front page, and now we're going to add new. And in this, we are going to come up with a name, a relevant name, and basically we are using the distribution of Ubuntu, so we're going to call it Ubuntu. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to allocate RAM to the virtual OS. My system basically has 8 GB of RAM, and I decided to allocate 2 GB of it. You can use more RAM if your system has enough extra. So I'm going to stick to 2 GB. After giving it the name Ubuntu, we just press next, and I'm going to give 1024 MB, which is 2 gig. Press next. Next steps, we are going to create a virtual disk. This serves as the hard disk of the virtual Linux system, and well, this is where we are going to store the files, whereby the virtual system will be storing its files. So now that we have this, I'm going to click on create a virtual hard disk now, and I'm going to click create. Basically at the step of choosing the hard disk file type. So I will recommend using the VDI file type here. The VDI file type, the VDI file type is a format that is used when you create a new virtual machine with a new disk. So let's click on VDI and go to the next. Here we can actually choose between dynamically allocated and fixed size. So I will be choosing on dynamically allocated. So at this stage, we are actually creating the virtual hard disk. Okay, so file location and size. The recommended size is 10 GB, but it will be more better if you can give more space. So maybe around 15 to 20 gigs. So I will maybe give 15. So next we just click create. And there we are. So at this stage, if the VirtualBox is not able to detect the Linux ISO, browse to its location. You just have to click on the folder icon here, as shown here. And then you click start. Okay, this is our part 1 video. The continuation of this installation will be on our part 2. So see you in a while.